In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn text, buttons, or other elements into clickable links that take your viewers where you want them to go. First, open your project and find the text, button, or graphic you want to link. Click it once so it's clearly selected. You'll know you've got the right thing when you see the selection handles around it. If elements are close together or overlapping, take a moment to click carefully so you're targeting the exact item you want to make clickable. This matters because the link you add will attach to the element that's currently highlighted. With your element selected, look over to the right-hand panel. You'll see options that change based on what you've selected. Find the link option, represented by a small chain icon. Click that. If you don't see it, double-check that your element is something that supports links, like a text box, a button, or a shape. Some decorative elements might not offer linking, so choosing a text layer or a button is usually the most reliable. Now it's time to paste your URL into the link field. Before you paste, it helps to copy the correct address from your browser or source so you're not typing it from memory. Use the full, clean URL, including the HTTPS part, to make sure Adobe Express recognizes it properly. If your link is long, that's okay. Just make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. You can use standard web addresses, and many platforms also accept special formats like mail.to for email or tel for phone, but the most common is a straightforward web link. Once your URL is in the field, apply it by pressing Enter on your keyboard or by clicking Apply in the panel. That action attaches the link to your selected element. After applying, the element should stay selected, and depending on your design and theme, you may notice subtle styling that indicates it's linked. If nothing changes visually, don't worry. The link is still there and will function when your project is shared or exported in a supported format. A few quick tips to keep your links polished. Choose link text that clearly describes where it goes, like "Learn more" or "View schedule," instead of vague language. Double-check that your URL is live and correct, especially if it points to a specific page or file. And if the link option ever appears unavailable, switch to a button or text element that supports linking. That's it. You've added a hyperlink in Adobe Express, cleanly and confidently.